zoo. I want to see the lions.
I want to see the tall giraffes. Can we see the giraffes first?
Let's check the map.
Of course! I am the map master. Let's see... The giraffes are in the north. Follow me, team.
Roar! To the giraffes! Leo, giraffes don't roar.
Okay, go straight, then turn left at the big tree.
Oh? Are you sure, David? The sign here says reptiles.
Trust the map, Grace. Turn left here. A rocky tunnel. Let me check the map again.
Are there giraffes inside a cave?
Maybe it is a short way. Come on, don't be scared.
Okay. My legs are tired. Are we there yet?
It is dark in here. Where are the giraffes?
This is strange.
A snake! A huge green snake! Wow! It is so long! Look, its tongue!
David, these are not giraffes.
I don't understand. The map says...
Dad! The map is upside down!
Oh, oops. We went south, not north.
Oh, David, we are lost. Let's ask for directions. Leo, you try.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, we are lost.
How do we get to the giraffes, please? Go straight ahead, past the monkeys, then turn right. They are next to the lions.
Straight, then right. Thank you. Okay, straight ahead.
Look! I see the monkeys!
Monkeys are funny. Now the zookeeper said turn right.
Turning right.
Look!
Wow! They are so tall.
Their necks are so long.
See? We made it. The map master always wins.
No, David. The nice zookeeper wins.
My tummy is making noises. Look! An ice cream stand opposite the giraffes.
Okay, ice cream for everyone.
This is the best part of the zoo.
Oh, Mom!